Hello friends, welcome to my channel Test Your GK. Today let's have a quiz on the topic Solar System. Here we go. The first question is, how many planets are there in our solar system? A. 8, B. 10, C. 9 and D. 7. And the right answer is A. 8. Next. Which planet is farthest from the Sun? A. Mars, B. Jupiter, C. Neptune and D. Mercury. And the right answer is C. Neptune. Next. Which planet is nearest to the Sun? A. Venus, B. Mercury, C. Saturn and D. Earth. And the right answer is B. Mercury. Next. Which planets have no moons? A. Mercury, Neptune, B. Venus, Jupiter, C. Venus, Mars and D. Mercury, Venus. And the right answer is D. Mercury, Venus. Next. Which planet has highest number of moons? A. Jupiter, B. Uranus, C. Saturn and D. Mars. And the right answer is A. Jupiter. Next. Which is the biggest planet in our solar system? A. Jupiter, B. Mercury, C. Venus and D. Neptune. And the right answer is A. Jupiter. Next. Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? A. Venus, B. Mercury, C. Mars and D. Saturn. And the right answer is B. Mercury. Next. Which planet has slowest revolution in our solar system? A. Mercury, B. Neptune, C. Jupiter and D. Mars. And the right answer is B. Neptune. Next. Which is the brightest planet in our solar system? A. Mars, B. Mercury, C. Venus and D. Jupiter. And the right answer is C. Venus. Next. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system? A. Venus, B. Jupiter, C. Mars and D. Mercury. And the right answer is A. Venus. Next. Which planet is called red planet? A. Mercury, B. Mars, C. Venus, and D. Neptune. And the right answer is B. Mars. Next, which planet is called morning or evening star? A. Neptune, B. Saturn, C. Venus, D. Jupiter. And the right answer is C. Venus. Next, for which planets sun rises in the west? A. Venus, Mars, B. Venus, Uranus, C. Mars, Saturn, and D. Uranus, Jupiter. And the right answer is B. Venus, Uranus. Next, Titan is the moon of which planet? A. Jupiter, B. Mars, C. Venus, and D. Saturn. And the right answer is D. Saturn. Next, which planet has two moons? A. Mars, B. Venus, C. Mercury, and D. Earth. And the right answer is A. Mars. Next, which planet is the coldest planet in our solar system? A. Saturn, B. Venus, C. Neptune, and D. Mars. And the right answer is C. Neptune. Next, which planet has rings around them? A. Jupiter, B. Uranus, C. Saturn, and D. All the above. And the right answer is D. All the above. Next, which planet has fastest rotation in solar system? A. Venus, B. Mercury, C. Earth, and D. Jupiter. And the right answer is D. Jupiter. Next, which planet has slowest rotation in solar system? A. Neptune, B. Saturn, C. Uranus, and D. Venus. And the right answer is D. Venus. The last question. Which is the fifth planet from the Sun? A. Mars, B. Saturn, C. Jupiter, and D. Venus. And the right answer is C. Jupiter. That's all, friends. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.